Just a little bit of rain and wind with a tornado warning, which is why I'm standing near the window, because there's deadly lightning and tornadoes nearby. We did have some lightning strike a tree right in the center of the screen and the furthest back in that V. But yeah, that's some rain. The wind isn't as bad as it was a few minutes ago. There's a bug trying to escape the window. So this is what it was like in Blanco, except it was like that for hours and hours and hours. Here it's only been 10 minutes. They got rid of the tornado warning, and now we're just looking at high wind warnings.